In 2016, Cristiano Ronaldo signed a lifetime endorsement deal with Nike worth $1 billion, including a $100 million signing bonus. This exceeds one athlete paycheck, showing how far brands will go to secure global stars long-term. Nike had a clear reason to pay. In 2016, Ronaldo's social media influence was valued at $474 million per year. His top post that year, tied to Euro 2016, was valued at $5.8 million in media exposure. Ronaldo became the third athlete with a lifetime Nike contract, joining Michael Jordan and LeBron James. As of October 2025, Ronaldo's net worth was estimated at $1.2 billion. In December 2022, he signed with Al Nassr on a deal reportedly worth up to $200 million per year.